Okay, so the first one is just super easy. Your slope is 7 or 7 over 1 because your line is y equals mx minus or plus b. This is the y-intercept. I'm sorry, this is the x-intercept. This is m. This is the y-intercept. So your slope is 7 or 7 over 1. Your slope on the graph is, you're at the point here is -3. So you got a point here and a point here. So what you have to calculate is you go over from 0 to 5. And you go down from 0 to -3. So your slope is -3/5 because it's rise, which in this case you went down -3, over run, which in this case you went over 5. And then your last one, you just use your formula. y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So these are all points on the line. So you can take the first two and say, okay, we're going to call this y1, or let's call it y2, this one y1, this one x2, this one x1. So y2 is 7 minus 6, because that's y1, over -3 minus a -6. Then you calculate that out. 7 minus 6 is 1 over -3 minus a -6, which equals 3. So your slope for number 9 is 1/3.